Good morning students. In the last video we discussed the unit cell and Bravais lattices. What is unit cell? It is the smallest repeating structural unit in a given crystal. It's called as a unit cell. A given crystalline structure is made up of large number of repeating units, and that one unit is called as a unit cell. After that, based on the lattice points and alpha, beta and gamma angles formed during the formation of given crystal lattice, then there are 14 different ways we can arrange the 7 basic crystalline structure, and that 14 different structures are called as the Bravais lattices. That part also we will learn in the previous video. Now from that, the cubic structure, how to draw the cube. For cubic structure, all the edge length A is equal to B is equal to C, all are equal, and angles alpha, beta and gamma are 90 degrees Celsius. And there are 3 Bravais lattices for cubic cell. If you see on the PPT, then we observe that first one is cubic, simple cubic called as a SCC, second is body centered cubic BCC, and third one is face centered cubic FCC. Also in the previous video we learned the number of constituent particles which are present in simple cube, body centered cubic structure and face centered cubic structure. So number of constituent particles in the simple cubic structures are 1, that already we learned. So number of constituent particles present in a given lattice, given crystal lattice in simple cubic cell is 1. Next one, after that, in body centered cubic structure, the number of constituent particles in body centered one will be 8 particles are present at a corner. Contribution of every corner particle is 1 upon 8. In addition to that, 1 particle is present at the center. Therefore, number of constituent particles present in body centered cubic structure is 2. While in face centered cubic structure, again face centered cubic structure is having 8 corners. Contribution of every particle at the corner is 1 by 8. In addition to that, the cubic structure is having 6 faces, and in 6 faces half particle will be contributed. So 1 particle at the every corner plus 6 faces multiplied by half, because half particle is present between the every face. So number of constituent particle present in FCC type of structure is 4. That already we learned in the previous PPT. Now again, one more derivation, that is relationship between molar mass, density of substance and unit cell. What is that relation we are getting? See the 5th point, rho is equal to N capital M divided by A cube into Na, where N is the number of particles per unit cell, capital M indicate molar mass of a substance, A cube is the volume of the unit cell, and Na is the Avogadro number. Its number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. By using this formula, we are able to find out the density of a given unit cell, where small n is for SCC it is 1, for BCC it is 2, and for FCC value of small n is equal to 4. That already we learned in the previous lecture and in previous video. Now today we will start with the how these particles are packed in a given crystalline solid. So packing of the particles in the solid, that we will discuss today. And these particles are packed either in one direction, 2 directions or 3 directions. So constituent particles of crystalline solids are closely packed, and these individual particle is treated as a hard sphere. So these spheres are nothing but the individual constituent particle present in a given crystalline solid, and these particles which are indicated by the spheres are arranged in one direction, 2 directions or 3 directions. So see on the PPT, first one is close packing in one direction. Now how it is arranged? This arrangement is made by arranging the sphere in one row touching one another. So all the spheres are touches to one another in a given row. That row may be horizontal or it may be vertical. The coordination number of particles in one dimension is 2, as particle is in contact with 2 neighboring particles. So what is coordination number? Here I have mentioned coordination number is nothing but the number of neighboring spheres that touches the any given sphere is its coordination number. If you observe on the PPT, that diagram, except last one. If you consider any middle sphere, then it is contact with neighboring two spheres. Therefore, that is its coordination number will be 2. So, what is coordination number? The number of neighboring spheres that touches any given sphere is its coordination number. From figure, any sphere it is in contact with neighboring two sphere. Therefore, coordination number for close packing in one direction is 2. So, this is the one directional packing of the given crystalline particles in a given crystalline solid. Second stage is planar packing arrangement of the sphere. That is called as a two-dimensional arrangement of the sphere. How these particles or spheres are arranged in 2 dimensions. Then there will be the two possibilities. One possibility is AAAA type arrangement. So, planar packing arrangement of sphere by AAAA type arrangement. What is AAA type arrangement? If you observe the figure, then all the spheres are touching to one another and all the spheres are aligned themselves in a such way that horizontally and vertically they are in same way. They are arranged in the same way. So, all the spheres are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. So, such type of arrangement is called as a AAAA type arrangement. See again, all the crest of the spheres, that is corners, tops of the spheres, all the crest of the spheres are aligned and all the depressions of the spheres formed by the arrangement are also aligned horizontally and vertically. One-dimensional rows of close packed spheres are stacked together over each other in such a way that the spheres align vertically and horizontally. The structure is called as a square close packing. If you observe the void space between the sphere, then that void space or empty space which is observed in between, that is square structure. So, this packing planar structure is also called as a square close packing. And if you consider any sphere except outermost, last one, then that any sphere it is in contact with neighboring 4 sphere. Therefore, coordination number for the AA type 2-dimensional arrangement of the sphere is 4. So, generally question will be write note on AA type arrangement or 2-dimensional arrangement for planar packing arrangement of the sphere. So, one possibility is AA type. What are expected? Diagram carries half mark, coordination number of the sphere carries half mark, then this structure is called as a square close packing, it also carries marks, and how it arranged? It is arranged in a such way that one-dimensional rows of close packed structures are stacked over each other such that spheres are aligned vertically and horizontally. So, this is the AA type arrangement. Second possibility is ABAB type arrangement. If you observe the diagram, see the difference between these two diagrams. First one AA type and ABAB type. In ABAB type, two different spheres are given, which are for convenience we are indicated by different colors, light blue color and violet color. So, the blue color is having depression. In between the depression of the blue color spheres, there is the second row called as a violet row. It is present in the depression of the first layer. If with that light blue spheres we indicate by A and violet spheres by B, then if you observe in between the depression of first layer, the second layer is placed, and therefore first layer we indicate by A and second one is different because it is placed in the depression of the first layer, therefore indicated by B. Again A is repeated and B is repeated, therefore this type of arrangement is called as a ABAB type arrangement. So, in this, the crest of the spheres in one row are in contact with trough or depression between the spheres of another row and so on. Or in simple way, the crest of the sphere of one row, it is in contact with depression of the sphere of another row. Second row indicated by B is arranged in such way that its spheres fit in the depression of first row. First row is indicated by A, second row is indicated by B, and between the depression of first row A, the second row is arranged. The coordination number for this ABAB type arrangement is 6. If you select any sphere, and you will found that sphere it is in contact with neighboring 6 spheres. Therefore, coordination number for ABAB type arrangement is 6. Therefore, this packing is also called as a hexagonal close packing. The empty space, if you observe the void space or empty space between the sphere, then it is triangular. That empty space is in triangular shape, and this empty space in hexagonal packing is very much less than the square close packing. Again, I will show the same diagram for AA type. See, the empty space is in large, while in ABAB type arrangement, the empty space is less than the square close packing. So, ABAB type arrangement is more closely packed and void spaces in triangular form. So, this is the concept of two-dimensional arrangement of the constituent particles in crystal lattices. For two-dimensional arrangement, two possibilities are there: AAAA type arrangement and ABAB type arrangement. Generally, notes will be asked. Write the note on AAA type or ABAB type arrangement. Next concept is this packing in crystalline solid. Again, in 2D layers and 3D layers, we have shown this ABAB type and AA type arrangement. Now, by using this two-dimensional packing of particles, we are able to draw the three-dimensional crystal structure. In three-dimensional crystal structure, again, there are two ways we are able to draw the three-dimensional crystal structure. Either by using AA type two-dimensional arrangement or ABAB type two-dimensional arrangement. See the first one, three-dimensional crystal structure for AAAA type arrangement, and this arrangement is only in case of polonium. Polonium shows the AAAA type arrangement. So, we will discuss now the three-dimensional crystal structure for AA type arrangement. See, the stacking of two-dimensional layers gives the three-dimensional crystal structure. So, we will continue the close packing in 3 dimensions. So, how it is drawn? Stacking of two-dimensional layer gives the three-dimensional crystal structure. There are in two ways the three-dimensional structures will be obtained. One is by stacking of square close packed structure. Stacking of two-dimensional layer gives the three-dimensional crystal structure. Two-dimensional square close packed layer are found to stack only in one way, and it will give the simple cubic lattice. So, stacking of square close packed layer gives the cubic lattice. And how it is stacked? It generates the three-dimensional close packed structure. The second layer is placed over the spheres of first row. And in this arrangement, spheres of all layers are aligned horizontally and vertically. Hence, all the spheres in one row are alike. Therefore, this arrangement is called as a AA type stacking of square close packed layer in 3 dimensions. In this type of crystal structure, each sphere it is in contact with neighboring 6 spheres. 4 spheres are in its own layer, one is above the layer and one is below the layer. Therefore, coordination number for 3-dimensional close packing square close packed layer is 6. So, may I show again the diagram for this? If you observe, all AA type 2-dimensional arrangements are aligned vertically and horizontally in a such way that all 2-dimensional AA type arrangements are exactly one above the other. And if you see that cube, then in a one layer there are 4 spheres are there. One sphere is above and one sphere is below. Therefore, coordination number for 3-dimensional AA type crystal structure is 6. And again, second possibility for close packing in 3 dimension is stacking of 2 hexagonal close pack layer. 2-dimensional hexagonal close pack. Which are the 2-dimensional hexagonal close pack? ABAB type arrangement. So if we stack this ABAB type arrangement, two-dimensional arrangement, one over the other, then we will get the three-dimensional hexagonal close pack layer. See the diagram first, then I'll describe in detail. If you observe the diagram, see violet color spheres are A type, while the red spheres are present in the depression of the first row spheres, that is indicated by red. And this type of three-dimensional arrangement is called as the ABAB type arrangement. And if you observe the void space here, some voids are occupied by the red spheres, while some spheres are remain empty or they are not occupied by the red spheres. So only half of the triangular voids are occupied by the ABAB type two-dimensional arrangement when it is placed on the first layer, that is A layer, while half of the triangular voids are not covered by the spheres of the second layer. So in this spheres of second layer of hexagonal close pack are placed in the depression of first layer. If the first layer is A, then second layer will be B, as these two layers are aligned differently. In this case, all triangular voids of first layer are not covered by the spheres of second layer. Again, I will show the diagram. Triangular voids of first layer are not covered by the spheres of second layer. Some voids are remain as it is, some voids are remain uncovered. So, triangular voids of first layer that are covered by the spheres of second layer form the tetrahedral. So, how tetrahedral voids are formed? When triangular voids of first layer are covered by the spheres of second layer, then it will form the structure tetrahedral structure, and void space between is tetrahedral void. So, a tetrahedral void is surrounded by four spheres. On joining the centers of four spheres, tetrahedral void are formed. While the remaining triangular voids which are not covered by the second layer, so remaining triangular voids of first layer that are above them are triangular voids of second layer. The overlapping of triangular voids of these two layers form the octahedral void. So how octahedral void is formed? By overlapping the triangular voids of layer first and layer second. And this octahedral void is surrounded by 6 spheres. So when 4 spheres are involved, then there is the formation of tetrahedral void. When the 6 spheres are involved by overlapping of triangular voids, then the formation of octahedral void. See, these two voids are also given on the PPT. First one, if you observe in tetrahedral void, centers of 4 spheres are joined together to form a tetrahedral void. While in octahedral void, total 6 spheres are involved, and the void of triangular void of layer 1 indicated by light blue circles, and triangular voids of second layer indicated by pink or violet spheres. When they are overlapped, then there is the formation of the octahedral void. So this is the concept how tetrahedral void and octahedral voids are formed. And this is the concept related to hexagonal close packing and square close packing in 3 dimensions. So diagrams for this 3-dimensional hexagonal packing is over here, and formation how tetrahedral void and octahedral voids are formed. This concept is also given, mentioned on the PPT. Next part is, if this ABAB type 3-dimensional structures are stacked one over the another, if one more ABAB type structure is stacked on the 3-dimensional ABAB type arrangement, then how this arrangement is made, that is placing of third hexagonal close pack structure. In short, it is called as a HCP, hexagonal close pack structure. Packing of third hexagonal close pack structure. See the 2D projection on the PPT. There are 3 total ABAB type arrangements are there. If you observe, the parrot green color circles, spheres are there. middle layer is indicated, middle spheres are blue color, and at the bottom there is the dark green color spheres are there. They are placed one over the another. Again, there are two possibilities of placing these three spheres or placing of the third hexagonal close packed structure below the 2-1. So these two possibilities are, see, the layer 3 is given, that is step 3, it is given on the PPT. First possibility is ABAB type arrangement. ABA, we are saying that the bottom layer is the first layer, then ash color spheres are second layer, and third layer is the light blue colored layer. And how these stackings are there, two ways are there. First one is ABA type and second one is called as a ABC type arrangement. So this is the placing of third hexagonal close packed layer. See the first way, that is option number 1. The one way of doing this is align the spheres of third layer with the spheres of first layer. So third layer is placed over the spheres of the first layer. Therefore, first layer and third layer are repeating layers. Therefore, this type of arrangement is A is the first layer, B is placed in the depression of first layer. Again, A will be placed or aligned in the sphere of the first layer. Therefore, this type of arrangement is called as a ABAB type arrangement, and it will result the hexagonal close packed structure, that is SCP type of structure. The example for such type of crystallization which occurs in magnesium and zinc. So metals such as magnesium and zinc, they have SCP crystal structure, that is hexagonal close packed structure. See the option number 2, that is second option. The second way of placing the third hexagonal close packed layer on the second to cover the octahedral voids by the sphere of third layer. So whatever voids are uncovered, whatever voids are overlapping, formed by overlapping, that is called as the octahedral voids. Then in second way, the third hexagonal close packed layer is placed or covers the octahedral voids of the spheres of third layer. In such placing, the spheres of the third layer do not align the spheres of the second and spheres of the first layer. Therefore, it is totally different. Therefore, this third layer is called as a C layer. The sphere of this layer get aligned with the sphere of the, it is not aligned with the sphere of the first and second layer. Therefore, this type of arrangement is called as a ABC type arrangement, and this arrangement results in cubic close packed structure called as a CCP. Cubic close packed structure. It consists of ABC type sequence, and this type of arrangement is observed in case of the metals like Cu, that is copper, Ag, that is called as a silver. So this is the packing of the crystalline solid. So what about the coordination number in these two cases, in option number 1 and in option number 2? If you observe discuss about the coordination number, then in simple cubic crystal structure, that is which is obtained by stacking the square close packed layers in 3 dimensions. Already we discussed that each sphere is surrounded by 6 neighboring spheres. 4 are in its layer and 1 is above and 1 is below. So coordination number for simple cubic structure is 6. While in both SCP, see option number 1, SCP hexagonal close packed structure, and option number 2, that is CCP, or also it is option is FCC, face center cubic structure, that results from stacking of hexagonal close packed layer in 2 different ways. Each sphere is surrounded by 12 neighboring spheres. 6 are its own layer, 3 are above and 3 below. Hence, coordination number for any sphere in SCP, CCP or FCC are 12. So, in option number 2, the coordination number is found to be 12. So, this